How many of y'all knew I played one of these? I've had this thing for a while, and I just haven't broken out my talent to you guys. 458 SOCOM. Happy Memorial Day 2018. Who likes King George? Name this song below. I got a lot of work to do on the property. I've got 2 feeders that I need to check on. I've got a pig pipe that I'm gonna be putting out. My buddy Ron built me one and tells me that no matter what the grass height is out here, the pigs will definitely push this thing around. So I'll just get this out, put a camera on it, see if this actually happens. Question of the day, will an ATN X-Sight survive the recoil of a 458 SOCOM? Let's go find out. Test number 1 is to just even see if this is going to survive. I'm going to run it strictly off batteries. I do have a battery pack here, but I want to see if the recoil is going to turn the battery off while recording. I'm only set up at 25. I don't even have this thing zeroed. So let's see how this goes. Dang, not too bad off 0. This is only 20 yards and it didn't turn off. That's not good. All right, this next shot will be at 50 yards and I'm gonna bet it's gonna go high. Yep, that was high. Tell you what, if I would have followed the instructions, I would have had the 0 correct on the second shot. I'm gonna go up. That looks good. So -32 and -44. Same hole. So it actually shoots great when it wants to cycle. But we gotta get that cycling issue fixed. There you go. Why don't you go play?